Hey, what's up, Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be cooking again. So last week I went on a whole day water fast on Wednesday, which the video is here if you want to check that out, where I just did nothing but water in preparation for this week's 7-day liquid detox, where I'm cutting out all meat, which I mean, for the most part, I already ate clean. Don't eat meat. Sometimes I have fish, and for the most part, I'm pretty plant-based. But this one, no pastas, no refined carbohydrates, no sugars, nothing out of a can, basically everything fresh, raw, and vegan. So it is a sugar detox to help cleanse the insides out, reduce inflammation, increase energy, increase your metabolism, and so much more. And so these are actually the detoxes and cleanses that I'll be taking. So this is from Holistically Made. This is chelation, a chelation cleanse. And I'm gonna share more information below. We have a parasite cleanse as well as a liver detox. So it's not just liquid, you can still eat. Again, there's just no alcohol, and everything is going to be listed below. So right now I'm about to make a veggie bootable along with a spaghetti squash. So right now I have all my ingredients. I'm going to be cutting up some red pepper, broccoli, red onion, as well as squash. I went ahead and didn't feel like cutting up the squash, so I just went ahead and got it pre-cut along with some olive oil and some natural seasonings. So I'm going to get started on that, and you'll see what it looks like when it's done. So these are the seasonings I use. I use a Mediterranean sea salt, a garlic and onion spice blend, which is literally just all natural herbs. And then we have Italian seasoning, all natural herbs, and some ground black pepper. So all the veggies are spread nicely, beautifully on their trays. And the oven has already been preheated to 425. And these will now bake for 10 minutos. So what happens when you're trying to make calls at the same time you're trying to cook and at the same time you're trying to record? You forget some steps. So these are supposed to go into the oven for 10 minutes first at 425 degrees, and then we are going to add these on top. So now these are gonna go in the oven. My mistake. So these have just come out from being 10 minutes in the oven, and now we are going to top with these and the rest of the vegetables to go back in the oven for 17 to 20 minutes. While the veggies are roasting, we are going to make our creamy cashew sauce, which is going to go on top of the veggie bootable. So we have 3/4 cups of cashews, 1/4 cup of parsley. There wasn't any fresh parsley, so I went ahead and purchased some gourmet organic parsley like this. Then we're going to have 1 full tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 full tablespoon of EVOO, 1/2 teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. It looks pretty creamy. So it just got finished and it looks pretty creamy if you ask me. So taste test. Woo! This is delicious. Wow, this is like bomb. It's amazing. It's amazing how cashews taste like cheese, but it's not cheese. Listen, y'all, I could eat this whole thing. Delicious. So the veggies just got done and they are looking and smelling delicioso. Check them out, check them out. Yes. Y'all, this is my first time cutting a spaghetti squash. Whoa! That was hard as heck. Oh, I succeeded in cutting this one in half. I just learned a trick though. You can put it in the microwave. I put a little, punches little slits in here where I want to cut it, and I'm about to put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes. Well, there's the slits. 2 to 5 minutes. Well, let's go. Let's test and see if it's better now. Okay. It was put in the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, it's still hard as heck. Let's just see. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna work my way through this. We got this. Okay, y'all, still hard as heck, but we are gonna put our weight on this because I don't have the patience to put it in the microwave. Ah, Jesus. Ooh, power. Have this freaking knife. Woo! We did it. Okay, y'all, we did it. They are finally officially cut in half. I have placed parchment paper on the baking sheet. It is heated at 425, and we're gonna put them face down for 40 to 50 minutes. Squash is in the oven. Now I am chopping up the rest of the ingredients for the Buddha bowl. So for the veggie Buddha bowl, I have black beans that I made the other day. Sorry I didn't catch it on video. We have our cashew sauce, some scallions, the fresh veggies, and then I'm cheating by doing a quick brown rice. And so there's gonna be half a cup of brown rice, 1 cup of the roasted veggies, tablespoon of the scallions, 2 tablespoons of the creamy sauce, all together. Oh, and 1 cup of the black beans. About to put it together. Might not be picture perfect, but it is delicious. Cannot wait to enjoy this. Yum. Squash has just finished. 50 minutes later. Ooh. Can feel the heat. Let's go ahead and take these out. Oh, heavy, heavy, heavy. Now we're gonna poke them with a knife and check how done they are. Perfect. Perfect. Should go right through. Now I'm gonna let them cool down, and then we're going to spaghetti them out. Ready to make the squash, excuse me, make the sauce for the squash. So we have 3 tablespoons of olive oil here at medium heat. We're about to cut up onion, garlic, and tomatoes to simmer with some salt and pepper. And then we're going to mix it all together. We got the onions at a soft point. Now we're going to add the garlic. We're gonna have the garlic go ahead and cook for another 2 minutes before we add our tomatoes. Ready for the tomatoes with all of its juice, their juices. So go ahead and add those in. It's smelling so delicious, delicioso. Probably could have cut these a little better, but it will do. Now add some salt and pepper. Mix some more and cook until the tomatoes are very soft. After cleaning out the inside of the squash, now we are going to spaghetti it out. The spaghetti squash is done being scraped out, and the tomato sauce is done. Now time to put it together. And then we'll sprinkle in some basil. There was no fresh basil, so we're using an organic gourmet one. And then stir it again. And then pretty much it is done and ready to serve. And voila. Delicioso. Excited to enjoy these.
Came out so delish. I can't wait to taste it tomorrow.
You see him making fun of me?
I can't wait to taste, guys. I'm gonna send you guys the recipe so everyone can try it at home, okay?
Okay, y'all, so we just finished cooking our lunch and our dinner for day 1 and 2 of the 7-day detox. So for breakfast, we are going to have our quinoa and chia seeds, oatmeal. Then for lunch, we are going to have our veggie Buddha bowl. And for dinner, we are going to have our spaghetti squash with tomato basil sauce. So all that's done. And tomorrow I'll be making our snacks, which is going to be vegetables and hummus and apple and peanut butter. So I hope you guys enjoy these meals as much as we do. Super excited, and I'll share the rest of the recipes later this week. Talk soon.